Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the processes shown in this video. For storage longer than 90 days, Honda recommends changing the engine oil. Refer to the FG110 video on changing the oil. If your tiller will be stored for more than 90 days, Honda also recommends putting a small amount of oil in the cylinder to prevent rust from forming in the cylinder. To do this, remove the fan cover, disconnect the spark plug wire, and remove the spark plug. Insert 1 to 3 cc's of regular motor oil into the spark plug hole. Reinstall the spark plug, plug wire, and fan cover. Then pull the starter rope several times to distribute the oil. Finally, slowly pull the starter rope until resistance is felt, then let go. Your tiller is now ready for long-term storage.